You heard it here first. Sustin Walter saying Project M is better.
So we have Wolf versus Bowser.
This
is gonna be kind of interesting.
No, I mean, okay. Oh God.
Oh, already. Oh.
No, you're not. God.
Kenny, please.
Screw you, Kenny. He does the courtesy talk to his friend. Shouts to Cade. God, triple shine. What the fuck, Kenny?
Kenny is just toying with him now.
Yeah. No, I don't think he's necessarily toying. He's just flexing a little bit, dude. Oh man, see the conversions on Bowser is so easy because he really has nowhere to DI. It's the same case with him and like any other.
Like you have to like
iteration.
Spacey against Bowser is it's probably like
anyone that's literally complimented.
1090 volts.
Nice laser to cover tech.
Oh, the short.
Yeah, I don't think that's short. That's right. Okay.
Well, I mean, if he did shorten, he would have SD'd.
No, if he shortened, he would have been Kenny.
He would have been Kenny.
Word. Oh, let's go.
No,
let's go, Cade. Oh,
when he shortened, he pulled at me because I'm short.
What the fuck? Alright, yeah, like I said, Bowser doesn't really have any way to get out.
And this is just normal Kenny.
Other than really SEI out.
Yeah, this is just normal Kenny.
What I don't see Cade doing actually a lot of is crouch canceling.
Oh yeah.
That'll definitely mitigate a lot of DarkWolf's Kenny's areas.
Doesn't Bowser?
No, we're not esports. Y'all say Kenny and Cade. Yeah, there we go. See, that's the standard Kenny. Let's go, taunt. Hey. Oh shit, dude. He knows. He knows. Tech chase a hot snow. Oh my god.
Oh, I meant. Oh.
Yes. Kenny's
SDs from
Kenny's being Kenny. Let's go.
Kenny fraud.
Let's go, Cade.
Oh my god.
No, that ledge. Oh my god, dude. Cade, you're nuts. What the hell?
Oh, let's go. Oh,
damn it. Hey,
last stock. This is doable.
Game one.
Just get a grab.
This game
just
one.
Get a grab.
This is game one. Nigga, just chill. Alright. Up B out of shield. Up B. Just regular up B. Do something.
Do anything.
There we go.
You.
Hey, my boy. Oh my god.
No, B, because he hit the B button.
Yeah, there we go. Oh, that covered so much, dude. Command grab is enough. Oh, what's he gonna do here? Oh, Kenny.
Did he just walk up slowly?
Kenny recovering smart. Oh my god. Oh, down smash.
Will you recover? Yes.
Oh my god. Back air. Yes. Yes. I will say yes a million times, dude. Let's go, Cade.
Kenny, why? 4 SDs.
Oh, thanks. My guy, dude. 4.
Kenny.
Yeah, see? This is...
Kenny, you fraud.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, dude.
4 SDs? I don't even know.
Hey, it don't matter, dude. That's standard Kenny. That is standard Kenny. That is the shit I want to see.
That was pretty high. Game 1 going to Bean.
That is the game I wanted. That is the quintessential Kenny combo. Just SD and pure SD. It's the one true combo. Yo, let's go, Cade.
Oh my god!
Talk to him, Cade. Talk to him.
Oh my god! Just do that again.
Let's go. Oh god. Oh my god.
Kenny SD again.
Yeah, word, dude. Oh my god, yo, we got that on stream. Let's go.
Oh my god, that was so sick.
Yo, nice DI way on the shine. Oh, yo, yeah, Cade's DI is on point.
Is Bowser supposed to combo the crap out of spaces?
Not necessarily.
Like if he gets a grab.
Well, I mean, Bowser tends to rely a lot on his command.
Oh, that was almost a good recovery.
But like I was saying, Bowser relies a lot on his command grab. So, what he does there is it sends him in the
edge guard?
Really good edge guard.
Oh.
But what he does on his command grab, he sends people at an awkward angle. So it kind of does a pseudo tech chase per se. I mean, unless obviously you're in the air, but it converts it to a pseudo tech chase where you can just edge guard from there. And that's really Bean's really showcasing it right now. Or Cade. I'm not esports. Yeah, word. What I don't see him doing a lot of actually is a B, which is a really good. Yeah.
That's normal Kenny.
That's just standard shit. But yeah, like
I want to see Bean grab Kenny more.
No, he's not gonna.
He wanted it.
Oh my god, no. He's nice. He's still got time. Yeah.
Oh,
there we go.
okay.
Solid.
Okay, 2 stocks apiece.
All right. Yo, Cade
that roll.
needs a gimp right here. Okay, yeah. See, look at that.
Fraud.
So the command, like I said, the command grab starts a pseudo tech chase, and that's where you really have to capitalize on, because then you just get the edge guard on, which Bowser excels at, because spaces are super easy to edge guard.
Kenny freaking multi-shiny. Sure.
My boy. Yep, edge guard.
Oh, should grab.
Hey, that's no. I mean, you can't grab at that point unless you read the tech. But he chose not to tech there. To mitigate the grab, so that's actually really smart on Kenny. Oh man, this is looking like a game 3.
Yeah,
this is like a game 3.
Kenny was a 2 stock.
Hey man, we got the Giphy, dude. We got the Cade Giphy.
That first stock though.
Who's the real winner of this set? Yeah, shit, dude. Obviously not Kenny.
Kenny's a fraud.
I'd take him to FD. Oh, FOD?
Oh, FOD.
I don't know about this one, dude.
I mean, I can see Kenny just, like...
No,
I mean,
anywhere with platforms, Wolf excels in. He's a platform-based character.
I mean, I can just
Yo, give him those down tilts. Let's go, Cade, let's go! Yo! Yeah, you get him, dude!
Oh.
You get him! Oh my god. Oh, man. He read the aerial drift, which is good, but he didn't read the fast fall.
But like
Kenny's really
throughout this game, I can
really
just see Wolf just flying around the stage, just
yeah,
like,
give him the side B. Grab that ledge. Oh my god.
Okay.
I didn't actually think Kenny would make it to there. No, that's fair.
If he was a little lower and he side B, that wouldn't he would recover.
Yeah.
Grab ledge. Okay.
No, he's gonna make that back. 8 out of 7 days, dude.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
nice.
solid F tilt. Ooh, yeah, there we go. See, that's what starts the edge guard situation, but Cade dropped it.
We got an edge guard.
Yeah.
Okay.
No? Yeah.
No, Kenny got
that corner pressure is actually super solid.
Kenny got stage back.
Yeah.
Because it's Wolf.
Well, no, Wolf's ledge options are actually, what is it? They're super telegraphed, and if you can read them, then, I mean, obviously the space is gonna die.
Oh, yeah.
That's just the nature of spaces.
Oh.
Cade, come on now.
Kenny, what are you doing?
No, it's Cade, dude. Cade, fuck that up. Oh my god, jab, jab. Yo!
Oh, that would've been so sick.
I would've paused right there, taken a photo.
Footstool.
Yeah, footstool combos. Oh my god, talk to him. Oh, talk to him, Cade, let's go! Oh my goodness. God, dude. Kenny's punish game. Fuck, man. Oh my god. God, Kenny, I hate you. Kenny, you're gay. You like Hungry Box.
Press the back air button.
Yo, press 1 if Kenny likes Ivysaur mains.
Ivysaur mains?
Yeah, dude.
Who mains Ivysaur?
Tori. Machiavelli, you don't know. Alright, let's go. Yo, shout out to Machiavelli.
Oh.
Yo,
nice.
there we go.
Nice.
See, up B has so much priority.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, talk to him. Talk to him, Cade. Let's go.
This is still doable. This is doable.
No, this is most definitely doable, dude. We saw that 0 to death command grab sequence, dude.
We just need like 2 more good grabs.
Oh no, he's at kill percent now. He's gonna need a miracle. Oh, Kenny, why? God damn it.
Kenny,
give the boy a chance,
Kenny,
dude.
please.
Give the boy a chance.
Stop this.
He's just a boy, dude. He's just a boy. That was actually 2-1.